Hi friends, do you wish to create viral short videos and looking for a great platform? Here is the solution that uses AI for creating the viral shorts, and you don't need any technical skill for creating the shorts videos that can go viral in no time. And yes, you just need a basic idea and rest of things are going to be done by the platform. This is Revid.ai, and you can create viral AI videos in minutes using this platform. Moreover, it is offering free tools and you can explore all the solutions through the video description link. You can create for YouTube videos, Instagram, TikTok with simple text prompts. So this is AI powered tool that transforms text into stunning videos in minutes, and you can boost your engagement, save your money and save your time as well. So Revid AI is the solution, and let us see how it works. So it is simple and you can start easily creating stunning contents, viral content. So you just need to find what goes viral. So how it can be done, AI will find the best content for you that you can easily repurpose into the video, target video, and there can be AI can work like search with complex queries, get full video transcript to fuel your next script, and use advanced search. And the second step, you can generate scripts in seconds. So AI understands that what makes videos go viral and use the same proven methods to write scripts for you. And again, at the third step, viral fast video creation tool is here, and you can create perfect videos for social media, grab attention and grow your business. So you can create viral videos from any content ready to be published, and you can generate voice, add animations and create super engaging content. And you can create automations. Revid AI will reach what your blog, the Twitter or LinkedIn account to create content automatically. So it is totally automatic platform, and you can create viral short videos actually, and short videos in just a few clicks. So explore this solution. I believe this is going to help you, and how it is going to work, and let us know in the comment section of this video. And if you have yet not subscribed the channel for such great solutions, don't miss to subscribe and press the bell button. See you in the next video.